Yo, what is up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you where you can watch the YouTube versus TikTok boxing match. So if you didn't know already, the YouTube versus TikTok boxing match is taking place tomorrow, and lots of people want to know where they can go ahead and live stream this event. So I'm going to be showing you right now. So if I just go out of the TikTok camera right here, and then I go to the link that I saved where you can go ahead and live stream the TikTok versus YouTube boxing match. This is the link right here, and I'll leave this link in the description of the video. So if I go ahead and tap on that link, it's going to take me directly to the LiveX Live platform where I can go ahead and buy a pay-per-view ticket. Now keep in mind that this is the only place where you can stream the fight. So what you need to do when you're on this page, you can see the match starts in 1 day, 7 hours and 51 minutes. So you still have time before the match starts to go ahead and purchase your ticket. So you can read some more details about the fight here. Lots of information for you to take in here, and you can see everything you need to know. So if you want to go ahead and buy the ticket, so the platform is the XLiveX platform. You tap on buy PPV, and then you want to scroll down. You can see the price of the ticket is $58.49, and what you get for that is a pay-per-view live stream ticket plus a free gift. So that's pretty cool. And then you can have these optional extras if you want to do that, like a t-shirt or a hoodie, and then you just put in the quantity that you want over here, and then you can see it says pay-per-view live stream plus the free gift is $49.99. They do have a service fee of $8.50, so the grand total will be $58.49. And then you need to go ahead and put your email address, confirm your email, and then it says every PPV purchase includes a free gift, so you get your live stream ticket plus 6 months free, so that's pretty cool, plus an exclusive NFT. So if you're a fan of the cryptocurrency NFTs, you're going to like that. And then once you've put in your email address, I'll just do that. So once you've entered in your email address, you can see the continue button is now available to press on. So I can press continue. And then you would go ahead and you put in your credit card information. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do that on the video. Or you have the option to pay with PayPal, as you can see there. And then once you've entered in that, you type buy one ticket or however many tickets you want to purchase. And then you have your pay-per-view ticket for the YouTube versus TikTok boxing match. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it did, don't forget to like this video down below and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and trends. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.